Hey everyone, the IQOO Z10x is a reasonably priced mid-range smartphone from Vivo's IQOO brand. It was originally created for the Chinese market, but its features and hardware make it a desirable choice even for customers outside of that country. The phone itself, a silicone protective case, a SIM ejector tool, a charging cable, and a 44-watt fast charger are all included in the surprisingly comprehensive package for its price range. The Z10x feels new and well-made for its price. Even though it doesn't reinvent the wheel in terms of design, it is made of premium plastic that feels good to the touch and doesn't become fingerprinted unless you really press it. It weighs 204 grams and is 8 millimeters thick, making it comfortable to hold. An LED flash, notification light, and infrared connector are located on the back, along with a sizable glass camera module that is reminiscent of other Infinix models. There is a SIM slot on the left that can accommodate 2 SIM cards but prevents microSD expansion. A 6.72-inch screen with a resolution of 2408 by 1080 and a refresh rate of 120 Hz takes center stage on the front. With great viewing angles and little fading even at extreme angles, the screen quality is remarkable for an IPS panel and nearly seems AMOLED. The Dimensity 7300 chipset, an effective octa-core processor with 5G connectivity capabilities, powers the phone's internal components. It comes with 128, 256, or 512 gigs of internal storage in addition to 8 or 10 gigs of RAM. For light gaming and everyday use, performance is good. Games like Asphalt or World of Tanks can be played at high settings. Genshin Impact runs nicely at low settings. Performance is further optimized with a specialized game mode. One notable feature is the 6,500 mAh battery, which offers remarkable longevity because of effective software optimization. It may easily last 2 days on a single charge with regular use, and 44-watt rapid charging speeds up the process. Vivo's Origin OS 5 skin, which significantly alters the UI, is applied to Android 15. Although it takes some setup to get rid of annoying apps and change settings to your preference, it is quick, responsive, and allows extensive customization for themes, icons, and layouts. The GPS performs exceptionally well for location-based and navigation applications, locking onto satellites fast and retaining high accuracy even indoors. A 50 megapixels primary sensor and an 8 megapixels front camera handle camera performance. With settings for night photography, portraits, and 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, the primary camera uses Vivo's powerful image processing algorithms to capture crisp, well-balanced photos in optimal lighting. The front camera records video at 1080p 30 frames per second and produces decent selfies. The Z10x has significant improvements over its predecessor, the Z9x, particularly in terms of battery life, screen quality, and general performance. Its primary shortcomings are its Chinese market firmware, which causes some peculiarities in notifications, the absence of a worldwide ROM, and the absence of NFC. However, with its long battery life, good display, respectable performance, and capable camera system, the IQOO Z10x offers great value for those who are prepared to invest some time in personalizing and configuring it. It's simple advice for consumers on a tight budget who don't mind its regional restrictions. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.